Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to publish research on Google Scholar using your phone. Let's get started. Google Scholar doesn't publish articles directly. Instead, it automatically indexes articles that are published in journals, conference proceedings, or academic websites. So first, make sure your article is published on a credible platform. Now open your Safari on your phone and type googlescholar.com in the address bar to open Google Scholar. Once you are on the Google Scholar homepage, tap the three horizontal line at the top left. After that, tap on My Profile. Once you are on your profile, tap the plus button. After that, tap on Add Article manually. Now enter the title, authors and journal name, year and link to the published article. Once you are done, tap Save. Once saved, your article will appear on your profile and be searchable on Google Scholar. And that's it. By publishing on a credible platform and adding it to your profile, your research is now visible on Google Scholar using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.